Good afternoon. It's May the 19th, 2015. Time to wrap up the E-mini today. The news came out this morning much stronger than forecast. With the E-mini, good news is bad news, and the first move of the E-mini was down. We came in wanting to buy the 20 to 25 area. We'd circled 23s. Is probably a pretty good place to engage the market, and you can see that you were able to execute a couple, 3 trades at 23. We had a sell in the 35 to 40 area before the news. Real early we lowered it down to 30 to 35 after the news hit. So this was the news. If you don't want to trade into the news, this is a legitimate trade. This is a legitimate trade, and this is a legitimate trade. 3 of them off that. And depending on where you entered and got into the market, you'd have gotten 3 to 5 points off of those. The next trade that sets up for us right here is a retest failure trade, signified or marked by that green dot, and that produced 1 point. We move our stops to break even after the second bar. We don't get a trade off of this B right here quickly. We're still in a trade coming off of that. We close that trade out in this area, so we miss that B trade. This B trade sets up for us, and you get 1 to 2 points. It's also a mean green trade coming off, selling against that mean green line. You picked up 2 points. This is a retest failure trade, part of the methodology. Just gives you 3. Another retest failure here, signified by the green dots, and you can see these green dots. The software does the work for you. You scratch that trade off of this S right here. You manage to catch 1 point. Then we get another retest failure right here, and that gives you 1 point. And then this software generated trade off that letter B gives you a little over 3 if you traded it perfectly. Get a 4-bar roll over there, so you've got a retest failure coming off of that bar's low, or you've got an S trade here, and that would have given you 3, 4 if you traded it perfectly. No trade on that S. The market comes back up. Don't get a trade off of that. It's not our setup. Actually, we do get a trade off of that setup, a retest failure, plus 3, and then this B gives you 1 to 2. So there were 10 trades today, no losers, but a lot of 1 point or scratches, and we do move our stop to break even after the second bar, so you ended up with 22 points. A lot of work, but you did get 22 points. If you'd like to know more about us, come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get information on the software and our trading methodology. Further encourage you to take a look at us and watch us trade live. We offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.